Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss two more confusing words. Words are large and great. We will see the difference between them. First word is large. Large is used in the sense of big in size, extensive or bulky or abundant or magnanimous. For example, the elephant is a large animal. Second example, his is a large family. Second word is great. Great is used in the sense of big in quality, outstanding, of a high degree of magnitude of any kind, highly gifted also. It is also used where linear extent is concerned. For example, great depth, great breadth, great height and great length. This, for example, this great country has absorbed many cultures. We will discuss more confusing words in our videos. To get video notification, subscribe and also press the bell icon. You will get notification of every video whenever we upload. Thanks for watching.